Ooh. All right, team, there we go. We just locked in profits on DGAS, $475 on DGAS alone. Altogether on the day, $1,135. My first position was taken. Again, I'm in Greece right now, so the time change is a little bit different. Right now, it is 4:48 p.m. here in, where are we? Santorini. Okay, so we're in Santorini. First position sold, second position sold. That was all within 20 minutes. And then we finished up dinner, saw natural gas become super overbought, bought the reversal on DGAS, and then just sold. So 3 day trades on my little vacation, $1,135 profit, and couldn't be more happy. Obviously, DGAS with still a lot of upside potential just because of how much natural gas did push up. But again, my main focus while I'm on this trip isn't so much trading itself, but it's more kind of just enjoying myself and enjoying time with my girlfriend. So, all right, team, here we have it. Looks like natural gas continued to pull back, which means that DGAS pushed up even higher. Again, I locked in my profits at 324.20 around that general area. It's already trading at around 327, as you guys can see right on over there. But let me show you exactly where it is that I am right now. So just so you guys can see, this is our little room where we're staying at. It's actually pretty cool. So this is one of the bedrooms. You guys can see right on over here. I can just do a full tour if you guys would like me to. Just let me know in the comment section. There's a second room on over there, and then going on over outside. So yeah, this is Santorini, Greece. This is our view. So you guys can see all of this craziness. It's absolutely beautiful here. But again, I'm going to be staying out here for about 3 more days, so 4 days total here in Santorini, and then we fly back to Barcelona. We're going to be spending 3 days there, and then we fly back to the States. So I pretty much paid for the entire trip itself already with my first day trading. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Just kind of wanted to show you guys what it is that we're kind of doing out here, just trying to have some fun and enjoy the time out here. So I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys would like to see while we're out here in Santorini. If you guys want to do a tour, or if there's any places that you guys would recommend as we're visiting different parts of Europe, let me know, as I'd love to explore. But I really do appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.